Okay, doing a LeetCode problem number 42. It's like the number one problem today, or trending, or whatever. But it's slicing key formatting. So essentially, you're given a like licensing key, such as this. Sometimes you can get errors in it, and what is down? You have a string, and it's broken down into substrings of length k. So there's 4. See right now, this has 5 in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you gotta like recreate the licensing key so that there's 4 strings between each dash. And you can see here there's 2 here and there's 5 here. And the only stipulation is the first one can have less than k2. So the first one before a hyphen can have 1, 2, or 3. So but the rest have to have 4. But in this case, since it's 3, it can be 1, 2, and then the rest 3, or the first one could be 3, 2. So, like for instance, oh, never mind. Yeah. So what's the 4? Since there's 8, there's without the hyphens, there's 8. You just break it down into 4 and 4. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you just break it down to 2, and then since there's let's see, 11, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 8. Wait, what? Yeah, since there's 8 here, then you have 3, 3, and 2. So essentially you're using modular math. And then, yeah, so my thought was you just take all the hyphens and you just take the length of that string, modulo divided by k, whatever that is. And if you have anything left over, and then you just start the string over with the first 2, and then you put a hyphen, then you lay down the k, and then you would lay a hyphen, lay down the k, number of strings, next strings, and so on and so forth. And then, so stupid edge cases, if it's just the key is the, return a dash. If that's a string, then you just return nothing. And if it's the length of 1, you just return whatever the string is. Well, those are kind of silly edge cases, but more or less, so you just get to take the string as your input that's the already error-prone license, and you strip it of this hyphen, so you have the non-hyphen stir. Then you get this length, and then you just want to get the first group length, so the first before the first X amount of characters is just whatever's left over from the modulo math of k, so the string length divided by k. And then if there is if it's not 0, if like the leftover is not more than 0, then you just gotta do that. Just lay out the first number of them characters. You just loop that through it out. And then after that, you just keep on laying down. You you just keep on attaching those characters by the k length, k number of strings until you're done, pretty much. So if you submit this, it should work. Yep. So I should probably talk it out. I need to you just can't really go through the code and understand it, but you need to show you through an actual string and how you would manipulate it. Maybe I'll do that next time, but yeah, that's the answer for that. So modular math, pretty much figuring out the errors in a key formatting algorithm pretty much is what you're doing.